Every year, many look forward to the matchup between Ole Miss and Alabama, but this year's game may not live up to its usual hype due to a conflicting schedule with the Panhellenic and Interfraternity Council Recruitment Week. Sorority member D. Law decided to start a petition for students to sign that shows their support of changing the dates of PC and IFC recruitment. The petition is being sent to the Vice Chancellor for Student Affairs, Brandy Hefner-LeBlanc, who chose not to comment on this issue. We were unable to have a sit-down interview with Law, but she tells us, "I figured if my friends were this upset, the rest of the Ole Miss and Alabama Greek community would be too." Some Greek members decided to tell us why they support the petition.
I feel like people would be like, oh, well, because I mean, I don't know, some people probably think the game is more important than them going Greek, and we try to push going Greek, so that's just going to conflict.
I read something last night that almost half the students are in Greek life, so a lot of us won't be able to go. I had already made plans to go, and I had a room to stay in when I went.
While some students have not been speaking about the situation directly, many have taken to social media outlets such as Twitter and Facebook to express their opinions.
Here are just a few of the recent posts regarding the petition to change Greek recruitment dates.
I just don't think it's going to work out. It's not going to be a turnout it's not going to be good for the football or the Greek.
Donald Abel released a statement addressing students' concerns about the situation, saying that the dates are not final. The fraternity and sorority life staff will be meeting with council and chapter leaders over the course of the next week to solicit additional input related to the recruitment dates. Isabella Caruso, NewsWatch, Ole Miss.